Minnesota, on charges of absconding bail. At a high point in his career, his past came back to haunt him. But God was on his side on September 21, when he was sentenced to only 6 months in prison with time served. On Friday, November 16, Busy Signal stepped back on Jamaican soil. And tonight, we officially welcome him home.
Give thanks for everything. Freedom, life, them. Protection over all men and team, all on our team. Music, career. Father God, we say give thanks. And that first to give thanks as a servant. What you do for me and everything. Father God, we say give thanks. Praises be to thee, Most High. Glory be. Hallelujah. Hosanna. Give thanks and praise. Jah.
Listen. All the work for them things in a jungle show up your answer, Daddy. All the work for them things, jungle, show up your answer, Everybody, on the moment. Me no much one copy gonna study. Young Sarah Sponge Bob, why we not begging? All who work for the money for the Christmas and the New Year. Well, I'm white John, right here. When the real deal black back again. Lovely. It's been so long. It's been so long. And I Jamaica this. I'm glad to me I see the faces of the fans once again. And God bless me. And God bless me. All I God bless people them big up on yourself. Straight up. God bless in our world. You hear that? Third first. So here I know. You have some people. They're beggy, they're licky, they're yummy. All of them say work for your synagogue of the promote independence. Straight up. All of the active youth, they want to say you're sure about your body parts. Mr. to represent. Active. Truly, really. No one can touch me now, really me. No one can borrow now, really. I'm not going to come to the team. Listen, let's go. John World is sitting there special sitting. It's a treat. I'm going to give thanks as I say. I'm just giving thanks to be here. John World said no song. John World said no song. John World said no song. Run this song. They said no song. John World said no song. And I said John World said no. If I'm a call my name one day, the boy them sell me out. B-U-S-Y, so the boy them spell me out. They put a flight from Amsterdam and them parallel me out. In the immigration line me here, the boy them yell me out. So we don't got jail again, but still the boy them jail me out. So we with KD night and you know so the dads can bail me out. Them and their star boy say no, so the dads not kill me out. You can feel that that's not the real. Yes, sir. I'm Mr. John World say no. John World say no. John World say no, sir. John World say no, sir. If I'm a call my name one day, the boy them sell me out. B-U-S-Y, so the boy them spell me out. They want to fly from Amsterdam and them parallel me out. In the immigration line, me here, the boy them yell me out. So we not got jail again, but still the boy them jail me out. So we with KD night and I try to see if him can bail me out. Them and their star boy say no, so he does not fear me out. Him tell me to waive my rights and then the US hear me out. Yo, from gun to GP, no empty no bail. Christmas where the artists, so them people me here. You know, I look someone that need a prayer for me. John World say no. I'm Mr. John World say no, sir. What John World say no, sir. No, sir. I'm Mr. John World say no, sir. You sing that, say no, sir. So Mr. John World. Private jet, Copa Ferry. Certain things me now go Copa Ferry. Vegetarian a yard, me no have no poker ferry. About twice me jump down in the cola ferry. 2 lack of protein, blackout and a roller ferry. The prison water make me ear couldn't grow ferry. Watch yourself, me no chat to who me no know a ferry. They're not of them people where you know. Them see one sexy up them. Yeah, me like have it lovely. John World, lovely. Me have to tell John World the same thing there. Me lie and bill beg for leniency in the court of foreign. Fly go yard do some research and then them go up foreign. Present the facts visually to the court of foreign. Nothing but the truth, so help me God, me take a oath of. All rise, I'm facing federal charge. DNA, fingerprint, I'm not convicted. Federal charge. The prosecutor attack, me attack, me die attack. Then the prisoner 6 months and now me back in a beyond. So lovely. Come have a chat to Jamaica. You see, them hold me in a London. take me off of the plane. 4 days after, straight to Jamaica. Then them take me off of the plane out of Norman. Straight. They moved me from Norman airport, go straight to Guncourt. See? And then from Guncourt, I go wave my rights with the big dad's KD night at Alpha Tree Court. Then after that, I go some BAM, and them shit me go GP to wait on USA. Straight up. I say while I'm the GP, some boy say, boy signal I say, oh God, we never know say link with them dogs, then I hear them dogs the right hand. Dogs, you kill us so long, I never know. Dogs, you are real juggies. A man say busy. Now worry yourself, you're around about 27 now come back here. When I come back, the music change and everybody at Jamaica turn jazz artists. And next boy look for me and say busy. They say like how you're clean and you think them different around. It just I just look for you and make you run about 10 years. And next you would say, and before me even say, me say shut them out before anyway you say what you want to say, me I'm going to smash up whatever say and everything I done right there so. You know what I'm saying? Lovely. They are back on me striking like lightning to me release. No for them in them frightening. Do not bless. Do not so Mr. Chopper, lovely. Lovely. Come here for DJ for Jamaica. They are back on me striking like lightning to me release. And no for them in left frightening me a God bless. No boy can't fight. Big up talks from Portmore to Iras. Go tell the media me sicker than chlamydia. Lyrics encyclopedia. You better get familiar. Flash to the speaker like a speaker. You don't have to make the fact that that's all I know. That's all this girl not the one to do. She want to explain that how it feels. Jamaica Senyosa, Jamaica Senyosa, Jamaica Senyosa. Love it. Shut up. Me say hearted. No time for platted. Words right now, me not no time for platted. Look here. Listen to this. You know a busy signal, right? My hairstyle alone hotter than some boy career. Straight up. Y'all them love me sexy, y'all them love me skin tone. Y'all them love everything about the gods. You hear that? Lovely! I'm here to represent for the outside them inside yours tonight. No matter which part them come from. Town, country, Mobile Center, Portmore, anywhere. Straight up. I'm here to represent and Jamaica. Listen to this. Country road every day, change up my transport, the thing set away, stopping on my transport. When me say me on the strap, in on my transport, you know let me take it out, locking on my transport. Great man a gun you know it quicker than a ram goat. Me and the girl in my cruise, some of them in the wrong boat. Up and look at easy bus, them in the wrong spot. Yo, them so nasty, and them all in the wrong boat. Blaze the grades that alone I push the brain coat. Fire get me when them up, them need a raincoat. Say them the road but me no planes on even the airport. What them every venue, love me. Hey, when man a perform it's like an energizer. Can't stop me, can't calm me with no tranquilizer. The grades want me but no have no fertilizer. Organize the week so in the enterprise. Yeah, no raise the bar to lovely. Lovely. Now say me a DJ. Me a DJ for Jamaica. Lovely. Yeah, when man a perform it's like an energizer. Can't stop me, can't calm me with no tranquilizer. Yo, the grades want me but no have no fertilizer. Organize the return in the enterprise. Me raise the bar to different elements. Full of style, versatile, yeah, intelligence. No make the eye get to you through your negligence. Claim say them large, them only big in them residents. Real bad man, I run no do things, them evidence. Do business, start up like people. Yeah. Lovely job, Senyosa. Something said John Wilson, yo. intelligence, full of style, versatile, yeah. Intelligent, and the love boy get to you through the negligence. You say them large, them only begin at them residence. Real bad man on road, no do things left evidence. Food is the staff of life, me on dead presidents. Now living at them tenements, your big house for the settlements. That's gone out the days me used to jump the wall and make defense. Hard work, education, elevation, renovation. Change up the thing, new revelation. Deliver more than UPS and FedEx. Music to the nation, musician, that's my occupation. Level it, level it. Level it more, DJ people that miss me now. The people that miss me now. And me, hey. Level it. Yeah. Change up the thing, new revelation, education. Increase the thing, new revelation. Deliver more than UPS and FedEx. Music to the nation, musician, that's my occupation. Spray on me, issy girl, I'm mad over me cologne. Kiss me neck and bite me shoulder bone. She tell me say she not go leave me alone. Me she want no Sylvester, no stop. Everywhere me go, girl run me down. Spiritual one, them one love kneel down. She have the good brain, so she bring me some. No, she have me a do it like a me. Tell me to John will say yes. Lovely. Lovely there. Me see some sexy girl in the front. Me see some sexy girl around there, so. Why? Y'all your boom boom so fat me have to sing about it. They are jail and I think about it. On the blackberry pin boat. The sexy body they is and I think about it. John will say no sir. And you say John will say no. You so good me have to sing about it. They are jail and I think about it. On the blackberry pin boat. That sexy body they have a think boat. Turn around, take a picture, make me tweet about it. You see no fat and not no slim about it. You go a gym and you your feet don't it. And me tights where you have on the print out. You say, love that, love it. Come here, have to please me sexy ladies them. Sexy ladies, why you say your mouth clean up? Shano, lovely there. Lovely. And you was saying one. Lovely there. When they are jail, I'm alone. 6 months, no. You know a business signal, that type of smiley. She said she miss me on. She love to see me on. 6 months now with roofing on the Gideon. She want to eat up on the city like a pillion. I know she know. More DJ this for Jamal people. I just God send me and I'm blessed. Level it. She said she miss me on. She love to see me on. 6 months now with roofing on the Gideon. She want to eat up on the signal like a pillion. I know she rolling like a million and a dillion, the sexy little billion. I say she see me and she has something for give me on. Say she miss me, and anyway she see me, she go up on the cocky like a duchess when I'm in the one. She a toast, I got the boy she can't give you. She a toast, Bye. I love these people. It's a joy to be here performing my first show right here. Straight up. She also she want it, but you like that backyard. I mean not her like that. I tell, y'all remember this? Think of you, take a picante. Y'all think of you, take a picante. Y'all think of you, take a picante. Y'all think of you, take a picante. Say, y'all think of you, take a picante. Y'all think of you, take a picante. So y'all think of you, take a picante. All who know this is like that. I'm astonished, I'm say, I'm astonished, I'm astonished, I'm astonished, Remember this? She a call him in her aunt. She goes through with her aunt. She a one over with her aunt. She a call him in her aunt. She a one over with her aunt. You know that one there. Remember this? Last night the girl give her the nanny. Tonight she want to place the family. Oh Jesus, I want this family to be place around me. She have me. So I tell me that girl is nasty. And she have any see I'm a waxy. Oh Jesus, I want this family. Go to work. Then when I get around family. You got me hot girl from Trinidad, but also at the same time on the Beauty Valley. All of the one more girl want you. So you got me out there want to find yourself. Attack! John Wayne! My John Wayne! So wine for me. What's sexy girl? Light up, jump up, wind up, light up, jump like that. Light up, just one body. Body edge, body edge, body. Girl, one body edge. Push it, push it, push it. Yes. Yes, my love, I don't want me baby. You say much no one me baby. Me call you last night, call you back so. All of the girls must say them fine. But you gotta be one to you. Talk about your back so. Give it to the station people. That's what you know that's true. Y'all is what you with the person. Come on, start for me to say. So it's when we start to do. Keep it clean, 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 keep it clean. Me is a masculine gender. I'm sure about myself. All of the men them are sure about themselves. Say boom! Oh, that sounds so weak. All of the men them are sure about themselves. Say boom! Bam! Very good. Sexy girls, you are the most beautiful thing in the whole universe. Jamaican girls, I unlock the universe. Level. When me the prison one day, some Yankee who are the big thick one, them all lift up every iron in there. Say, man, Jamaican man, you gotta bring me some of them big booty hoes. He said, oh. Hoes. Hoes. Don't style up me sexiness, them, hey boy. Hey boy. I'm just look at me say, you see, some man don't know how to deal with woman. You see, you told sometimes me out of order, enough time you have to beg the girl them and beg them back and beg them back and beg them back. You say, yeah, give me another chance.